Hi, welcome to New Life by New Thoughts. And my name is Quinn Pham, and welcome to the series of 5 Secrets How to Manifest Anything in Depth. If you missed my previous videos, don't worry, I have the links in the descriptions. In this particular video, I will talk about the secret number 4, clear your resistance. So you got all my other secret, number 1, number 2, number 3, you still cannot get what you want. That means you have some resistance somewhere in your system. That's what I'm talking about in here. And I group this resistance into 5 categories. Number 1 is self-worth or lack of self-worth. Number 2 is feeling desperate that what you want is not here. Number 3 is thinking that what you want is way out of reach. Number 4 is a feeling that the world wrong you or people wrong you. And number 5 is an unconscious conflicts. Unconscious conflicts is a big one, so I probably have to have another videos to particularly talk about it. Number 1, self-worth. Self-worth is what you think about yourself and what you think you will deserve in this life, in this world. How does that impact the manifestation process? You think how you deserve. You allow yourself on what to have or what not to have. So it's impact directly what you can or cannot manifest. How do you detect it? If you want to detect it, simply by asking yourself questions like, what do you think about yourself? What does your dad think about you? What does your mom think about you? What does your family think about you? What do people around you think about you? Start with those questions. And if the answer are negative, you know it's impact your manifestation process. It's impact on what you allow yourself to have. If you want to remove these, I would say quiet your mind. I have the video where Abraham teach you how to quiet the mind. You also can meditate. I also have a video on that, and you also can repeat the affirmations on the area that you lack. Number 2, feeling desperate for what you want. This is a feeling, it's a mixed feeling where you answers to get what you want, but at the same time you don't think that you will get it or it's possible for you to get that. That's mixed right there. And when you have this feeling, you send to the universe the lack and the anxiety. And when you send lack and anxiety, what do you get back? Lack and anxiety. More lack and more anxiety. How do you get out of this? When you have this feeling, usually because you don't truly believe or you don't think that you deserve. So one or the two. If that is the case, go work on the secret number 2 and go back on your self-worth issue that I was just talk about it previously. And number 3, think that your desire or your want is way out of reach. This is a feeling where you think it's way out there. What you want is too far from you. It's impossible for you to get. There's no way for you to get there. No one around you getting there. Only someone out there, someone so smart, someone so strong, someone so lucky can get it. Then if you have that issue, you can probably ask yourself, do you want to cut back of what you want? If not, then go work on your belief. Because according to the universe, there's nothing too big or nothing too small. Too big or too small is only the perception that we put on ourselves, not the universe. Number 4, feeling the world wrong you. This is a tough one because it is the reality that you are dealing with. You was born in an abusive family. You was born in a family where people think you're ugly or you're not good enough or you're not smart enough. or the situation in the world. Like if you open a restaurant, COVID hit, the world wrong you. You cannot control it. Things just happen to you that you don't deserve it, or you didn't do anything to cause it. When you are in this situation and when you have this feeling, it's very, very hard for you getting your mind out of this, because it's the current situation remind you every day, every moment. If you have that, or you in that situation, dear friends, I'm sorry that you are in it, but you can get out of this by focus on your what. Don't let your reality remind you. So also don't let you to get into like, I don't want to be in this situation anymore. That you still send that negative energy out. Focus on secret number 3 and daydream. Go back into that video and I teach you how to daydream, all the question, all the thing to create the feeling of what you want is already there, and daydream on those feelings. And don't make yourself a victim. You are the hero of your story, not the victim. You are powerful. You are the creator of your life. So don't give the power away to the world or to other people. Group number 5 is having unconscious feelings. Unconscious feeling is something out of your conscious awareness. It's very hard to detect, but it's creep up and it's block you from your manifestation. This will be long, and I will have another video to talk about it. If you still have any questions on these type of resistance or anything on manifestation, comment below. I will answer. I will read all the questions and reply to them. If you think this video is helpful or you resonate with any part of it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified for my next video on the unconscious conflicts that block you from your manifestations and my future videos. Ta-ta for now. See you in the next video.